loving this lock so much. It comes with instructions. They look more complicated than they actually are, but it's really easy. Just download the app and it's very easy steps and you're gonna have it set up. Here, very typical cables in case you lose it or it breaks. You can use pretty much any other cable for any other device that you have. So here you have it. It's locked right there. It's really lightweight for the size and the kind of lock, because I've had some of these are combination locks and they're much heavier. So that's awesome. Let's try. I set up this there, so it's pink, not working, not the right fingerprint. Just here, and it unlocks. You can also unlock it directly from the app, and you can have different users as well, so it can be different. There it is. This, I don't know if I set up this one. So after trying, you have to wait a couple seconds. See, it doesn't work. Right one. Wait. There it goes. Really practical, no more keys. Now remember the combinations. You're just tired, just grab the lock, open it. Boom. At least I use it for gym.